Hello guys, it's Adheesh here. Welcome to C11 by Learn Things. In this video we're gonna learn what are arrays and how to use them in C. Suppose you want to declare 10 different integer values which are marks of students from roll number 1 to 10. So you will have to define 10 different variables like marks of student 1. Then let's initialize it 35, and again we will have to declare 10 different integers like this. So marks of students, marks of student 2. Of course this is a tedious job to do. So what a programming language provides us is concept of array. What array does is it stores different variables of same data type with a single variable name. So let us see how to declare an array. We type the data type first, then after a space we write a variable name. Let's say marks of students, and after the variable name we have square brackets, and inside the square brackets we have size. So what size is? Suppose we have to take marks. We have to take input of marks of 3 students. So we will declare size of this variable as 3. So we will now have a variable, an array with name marks of students of size 3. It holds 3 different variables, 3 different elements of data type integer. So we can access an array like this: marks of student. We type the array name, and then inside the square brackets we type array index. So we have 3 students, so we should have index like 1, 2, 3. But no, in programming we have index as 0 to n minus 1. In this case n is 3, so we will have index from 0 to 2. 2 is 3 minus 1. So if you write marks of student 0, then we can access first element of this array. So say we have to take input of student with roll number 1, so we will access it using marks of students 0. So let's initialize it. Let's say marks of first student is 35. Then let's copy this and say marks of second student is 45. Marks of third student with index 2 is 25. So in this case the variable with index 0 are marks of first student, with index 1 are marks of second student, and index 2 are marks of third student. So we have initialized the values of array. We have seen how to initialize the values of elements inside an array. So let us see, print the values and see what happens. We can access arrays using for loops, which is very much easy. Now we did it like this. We typed marks of students 3 times, but instead of this we can have an array. We have to declare an integer, say I is equal to 0. In this case I will be index. You will see I is less than 3 because index varies from 0 to 2, which is less than 3, or you can write it like I is less than equal to 2 and I plus plus. And inside it we say printf %d, since marks of student is array of integer, comma marks of students, and inside the square brackets we will write I because I is the index. So when this I is 0, we will print the marks of first student, that is 35. Then we'll print marks of second student when I is 1, and when I is 2, we'll print marks of third student with index 2. So let's print it on next line. Let's see. Okay, we can also do this marks of student %d are. So we will have to write here I plus 1, since I here is 0 is an index with roll number of student with roll number 1. So we will write I plus 1. So this I plus 1 will go to this %d, and this marks of student with I index will go to this %d. So let us build and run this program and see what happens. Yes, we have got correct output. Marks of student 1 are 35, marks of student 2 are 45, marks of student 3 are 25. So thank you very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like the video. See you in the next video. Tata, bye bye.